Morning traders, Nick Massenberry, Market Tea Leaves here to bring a daily market bias video for Friday, September 16th. It's 6:45 a.m. Apologies for the tardy arrival of this. Unfortunately, I had some technical issues I had to deal with. If you were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, all of Asia is trading to the downside with the exception of the Singapore exchange, which is up fractionally at this particular point. But many of these exchanges are in negative triple-digit territory. Currently right now in Europe, and it is currently ongoing as Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside with the exception of the London FTSE exchange, which again is only up fractionally at this particular point. Now, if we were to take a look at the market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading to the downside. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a lower open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we don't have as much today as we had yesterday. Yesterday we had pretty much a tsunami, if you will, in terms of economic news. Today, we really don't. We have a few reports, though. At 10 a.m., we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. These are major. These are proven market movers, and the reason why they are major is because they are preliminary numbers as opposed to revised. There's always greater weight associated with preliminary numbers, hence these are major. At 4 p.m. we have long-term purchases. This is not considered to be major at all. In fact, it won't have any effect on today's session because it's being reported at 4 p.m. this afternoon, right at the time the market is closing. So we don't see any adverse effect from that particular report. All this being said, a bias is to the downside, and the reason why we're suggesting a downside bias: crude oil is trading higher, the U.S. dollar is trading higher, the indices themselves are pointing lower. Pretty much all of Europe is trading to the downside as well. Hence, our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.